Okay, welcome to the semifinals of the ASAP video game tournament. We got Logan versus Trevor in the semifinals here. They are going up. Seems like they're doing random. You guys are good to fight. This is a best of 7 series. Obviously, first to 4 wins up.
3, 2, 1, go! Pac-Man wins! Start the battle!
They're very close. You guys are good to start. In a very close round, Trevor pulls it out over Logan. Logan needs 4 to win. Trevor needs 3 more.
Fox, death! 3, 2, Game. Ness wins.
Logan comes back with a win, tying it up 1-1 in the series.
Start battle. Young Link. Captain Falcon. Three, two, one, go! Captain Falcon wins! Start battle! Captain Falcon!
For those of you just joining us, the series is up 2-1 with Trevor on top. This is a best of 7 series. Trevor needs 2 more victories to move on to the championship game, and Logan needs to come up with 3. Logan comes back with another victory, tying it up 2-2. They've been trading back and forth. Both of them need 2 more to win. Whoever can get there first will move on to the championship. Trevor coming right back with another win. Still trading off wins, but Trevor only needs 1 more to move on to the next round.
Start battle. Troy, Brawl.
Logan comes back in a super close one to keep the series alive. Next one to win will move on to the championship game.
Start the battle.
Selecting random.
3, 2, 1, go!
As Logan pulls it off, and he is moving on to the championship game. The championship game will be played at 7:30, following the third and fourth place game, which will be played right at 7. The loser of this game will face Trevor in that third and fourth place game, and the winner will face Logan in the championship. As the players figure out their moveset here, I'll go over some rules. This is a series of 7. They have 3 stock lives. Each game is 6 minutes timed. No one's hit that time limit yet. Usually they're out of stocks by that point. But, if they do have the same amount of stocks and the time runs out, it goes to sudden death, in which the winner will obviously be the winner of the round. So it's a series of 7. First 1 to 4 wins moves on to the championship game at 7:30. The loser will play at 7 and play Trevor Jones for 3rd place.
Stop battle. Lucas.
In this match, we have Zach up against Michael. Zach is the smiley face, and Michael is the moving.
Go!
It's easier way to say that is Zach is the red and Michael is the blue. Michael Gonzalez with the, sorry, Zach with the first win on that one. Putting him up 1-0 on Michael. He needs 3 more to move into the championship, and Michael needs 4.
That was easy.
Start battle.
Okay. Zach is off to a great start with 2 wins over Michael. He only needs 2 more to move on to the championship. Michael needs 4. If Michael loses this round, his back will be completely up against the wall. He would need to win 4 to win.
Go!
Thunder.
Michael has come back with the win, making the series 2-1. Zach still only needs 2 more to win. Michael only needs 3 to move on to the championship.
Start battle. Robin. Hit. 3, 2, 1, go!
super close. Third match or fourth match there. Zach pulls away 3-1 in the series. Zach only needs one more to move on onto the championship game, which will take him one step closer to the Nintendo Switch Lite. Michael needs 3 more in order to win this tournament. There it is. Zach wins his 4th game, moves on to the championship. That will be played at 7:30 p.m. tonight. Great effort by both.
Stop battle. Stop battle.
Now we are doing the third place and fourth place game. Winner will be third place officially in the tournament, and loser will be fourth place. We have Michael versus Trevor. Trevor being red, Michael being blue.
3, 2, 1, go!
Michael pulling off the first victory of the round. He's up 1-0 obviously now, so he needs 3 more to win. Trevor needs 4.
Stop battle. Whoa. one, go!
Michael with a strong start of 2 in a row. Only needs 2 more to win. Trevor with his back against the wall here, needing 4 still. If Michael wins 1 more, Trevor would need to win 4 in a row.
Stop battle! Three, two,
Michael up 3-0 now, only needing one more to officially take third place, and nice hologram that we'll show you guys in a second. Trevor needs to win 4 in a row here if he wants to claim third place, otherwise he will be our 4th place contender. There it is, Michael officially claiming third place. Trevor claiming 4th. next game will get started here in about 20 minutes, so just hang tight if you're watching live.
Game. Tournament win. Start the battle.
It's 41 degrees, frigid night, and command for the Lord. You will find out who is the best Smash player in the lands. First, to my right, we have Logan Evans, and he will be going against Zach Lundquist. We're here for one reason only, to find out who is
So Logan is in the blue here, and Zach is in the red.
And see here, Logan in the purple. Sorry, Zach is in the blue. He's messing up right now. Logan won top down already.
So that's
It's already.
Logan's gonna have to put some early work in here to get this lead. That was a nice move right there by Pitt, otherwise known as Zach. Oh, he whiffs. Little standoff right there was kind of funny. It looked like, why are we here? Oh my god. Just keep rolling back, Ganondorf. Oh! Oh my god! Hit him with that electric slide. Oh! Hit! Up 2 stocks. We'll see if Logan will be able to ever recover from this deficit for the elusive Nintendo Switch. He spread down the lead to 2-1. but yet there's a lot of ground to make up. Oh, the grab. Oh, what a move by Logan. The combo was insane. He whipped. Oh! No! The first game goes to Zach
It's game over for you.
with the little boy Pit beats the mighty Ganondorf. A really David and Goliath tale. Let's see what random form they choose. Hopefully they choose a Yoga Studio. That's one of my favorites. The Yoga Studio. It's one of my favorites. If only y'all could play Solid Snake on the way too. I know y'all really good. So. Oh my god. He is choosing the Wii Trainer. We'll see the battle of the sexes tonight. Or female on female. Oh, we're gonna see the battle of the sexes. This will truly choose. This we will truly see, excuse me. Let's see if this is like the tennis movie. I think the girl beat the dude. But let's see if this is accurate. Oh my god. She's hitting with the downward dog. Oh, the spike. All the wrong things. I think that's a Cobra, actually. She's following her inner chi. Oh my god. The plank position, one of the deadliest forms.
Keep training and working on your sides.
Oh my god. You can tell both of these male and female counterparts have truly worked on their core, strength, and their flexibility to achieve all these moves. They're really tapping into their chi. Logan charging his chi to the max, but see, that bites him at the end of the day.
Watch the flow of my movements as I
This is the
demonstrate.
first time in the tournament that anyone's used this training.
Yes, and I think it's all because of the commentator's decision, which is good to see that the commentator is getting recognition in this battle of the mightiest Monmouth College Smash player. Honestly, these guys should go pro, quit school, but that's not my choice to tell. Oh, they tie it up 2-2.
Good thing you don't work in the admissions.
Yes. Hopefully none of the major players are watching this. That would be pretty bad. I didn't know actually know the yoga thing person could reduce their health.
As I demonstrate.
Oh my god. In the background we see Warrior 1 being done. And now, yes, I think that's Warrior 2.
Distribute your weight equally between both legs.
Flying up there.
Right. It's the hips. It's always in the hips. The Warrior 1 position is taking place in the background. And we see two Warriors going at it as well.
Good connection.
Now,
That was a good connection. I know. I just can't. That's why I kept finding it. If you can see in the background, you see my friend Breck beachside. He is in the crowd. You can see him wave. He's in the blue sweatshirt.
watch the
It's 1-1 right now. Let me focus on the game. Logan with 69%. Nice. On the stock. And Zach with 11. Let's see if Logan can tie it up.
weight equally between both legs.
Tuck in those glutes.
You heard her, tuck in those glutes, cause my glutes are pretty tucked in right now. I am so invested in this match, we'll see who wins. Oh my god, the intensity.
Return to your original position.
I was honestly betting all my money on Logan, because he's my— oh my god! The knockout blow! The female wins once again, as they did in the movie. Now Zach is up 2-0. I don't even know what the game is going to. Let's go.
7.
We're going to 7. That's
He needs 2 more to move on and to be the champion.
yes, to be the champion. I would also like to recognize my friend Breck did not want to commentate. He left me out to dry. But that's for another day. Let's see, who wants to pick Zero Suit Samus? And the other... Okay, no. Wait, if I'm choosing, I wanna... if I'm choosing, I wanted to see King K. Rool versus Donkey Kong for the culture. Or nobody wants to do that?
No.
Let's go. This is what real legends are about. King K. Rool versus Donkey Kong. Let's see. Donkey Kong with a pink flavor.
So this is also King K. Rool's first appearance in Tekken. I've been wondering why no one uses it.
Probably because he's bad.
You know,
But
all I've seen is that he's good though. It's not hard.
oh my god, Logan is already off to a hot start. Donkey Kong. Man, do these guys know every character in the game? They really are truly professionals. Oh my god. How is Logan's health so high up already? Shoot him. Oh my god. This is truly villain versus... Should we exempt these past two games? Because I've been saying it. I don't know if this will be in the integrity of the match. Just an option, yes. I should say the players have their own volition, and I cannot be held in court if they lose this this Nintendo Switch with the Super Smash Bros. Games on it. If they lose, it's in my contract actually that I cannot be sued no matter what. He gave him a nice little belly stomp, I guess. I don't know what that's called. I need to check the rule book. I need to check if that in the rule book if that's street legal, if that's breaking any of the rules. But right, oh my god, he just swept him underneath the rug. The same thing I do whenever I throw my clothes in the laundry. Same maneuver. Oh my god, he just gave him a spinning back kick. Looked like Conor McGregor. Nice job, Donkey Kong. Threw his hat. Oh, and then he shot him with the gun. I don't know if guns should be legal. But that's part of my Second Amendment right, I guess. Oh my god, 3 head stomps. And he just hit him with his butt. That's kind of crazy. What a hat toss, honestly. Oh, now it's heating up. Let's see if Logan can pull it out once again. This is Logan's hardest test by far. And it seems to me... Oh! What a move! I thought he was gone for sure! No! Logan is in my nutrition class, so I'm kind of biased. I want him to win so bad. I'm sorry about that, my friend Zach. I might have money on him, but as a commentator, I don't know if I'm legally allowed to tell you that. I'm pretty sure Logan was a plus 200 underdog. If you know what that means, I'm going to make a lot of money if he wins. But if he loses, I'll
Live
be...
in-play betting right now with him down 3-0 is about plus 2 grand.
Plus
200.
Yes, plus 200 for this comeback to happen. Wait, what stage did y'all choose?
No, it is official is plus 2,150.
What stage did y'all choose?
It's gonna be
Oh. Oh, they're playing in the... What? I think this is Zelda's Palace? It's from Pokemon? Oh, my bad, man. Then y'all should have been Pikachu. What are you talking about? I hate him. Then play Squirtle. Logan off to the hot start immediately. It's probably because I was distracting Zach. But we'll see if that can last any longer. Oh, what a move by Logan. Oh. Oh my god! 2 sword characters, so original. I would love to see Smash release another sword character. That's what we, the culture, want. The online gaming community, as Dr. Disrespect so eloquently puts it. As the audience gasps, in the game, so do I. Pure mastery by the character by Logan. Pure mastery. He's up by 1 stock. This is his first 1 stock lead of the game. What was my friend said? Sorry, we had a good commercial break. I had to go to the restroom. This game is testing my bladder skills to the max.
That was the quickest bathroom break.
I know, that's how fast I had to go. The velocity was insane. Now we still see Logan with the lead. Oh, that was a critical blow. What a dodge. He stabbed him in the legs. He'll be fine. That's what I'm talking about, Logan. Make Max proud. Max Holly, our nutrition professor. Oh, the parry backfires on him. The plus frames got him to that time. Oh, right back at 0-0. This is for game, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god. Come on, Logan. Oh, sorry. I'm supposed to be unbiased. My superiors have just let me know on the headset. Oh my god, what a move. No, Logan! Oh no, that's a bad. No, keep messing up, Zach. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my god, what a move! I didn't know what he did right there. As a commentator, I'm feeling poorly. Oh, he stabbed him in the toe. Devastating blow to anybody who knows.
Made it rhyme too.
Oh, I know, it's just a natural skill. Listening to many rappers throughout the years, such as Pooh Shiesty. Listen to his new album. Very excellent. Oh my god, another blow down low. I did it again. That was on purpose though. That rhymed as well. Kind of crazy. Oh! Let's go! Oh no! Not Logan! Oh, my bad. Zach wins. I think that's for the Switch as well, right?
Yeah, Zach has won the championship.
Zach is the best.
So in spectacular fashion, 4 in a row. With
Zach
a clean sweep.
Zach is literally Michael Jordan of Smash at Monmouth. He is undefeated. I've never seen this man lose a game of Smash in his life, and I don't think anybody will soon. Hopefully he goes off and retires, and then comes back in 2 years and wins another one.
All right, we'll now have everyone up on the screen give away trophies real quick. There we go.
Yeah.
All right. Second. I was gonna say that was good.
Wait, is it muted? Is it muted?
Now, we will be post-game for you, first game alone. The man I was waiting for, doing still messing up his hologram. Sir, how do you feel about 4 years in a row?
Can you say?
I would expect to do absolute confidence by a great champion. Now, also, I've done the chemistry quiz that is been posted today on that.
Ask me again on Sunday.
I will give that to you. Now, who will be joining the winner, I guess? He probably cheated. Hasn't passed on. So let me talk, actually. I'm the reason you're watching on it. But now we have.
No, go ahead and finish talking. Just go ahead and talk. You're good. Yeah, you.
That's crazy.
Your mic was cut. Your mic. You can go ahead and finish it.
Zach, how do you feel about quote unquote winning? Why do you even want to say? Oh really? So that's even more insulting than you lost to Black King.
That's even better though, because at least he gets a switch.
So
you know?
now
Like
he's
he-
actually gonna get better, which is crazy. That's actually crazy. First off, I lost sorry, all my calls to this.
Well,
I'm in severe debt right now. I'm asking Mark Zuckerberg, the sister
this is why when we got the off the street commentator, we did not hire an expert for betting.
Now, I have one more question. There's so many avenues in more Smash Bros. Maybe closer. Maybe people like Peoria. Very,
There is.
of course, safely. Of course, but right now, representation. Now, you understand that this wireless, secure, a new switch. They should be able to play all the line, go into the maybe on the coast line. Do you want those? Especially among the Wi-Fi, you know what I'm talking about. Online games, you're able to connect. She said it better than I keep the notes on Smash, I must say. Thank you so much. I will take the air, but I need to take those to the store. My rush, please.